me, CityStops, and today we'll be playing Pokemon Showdown. I know, crewmate, you must be thinking, why is there no Minecraft? But it will be done today only. The video will be posted today. On my country, the timer will be 3 o'clock. Right now, from which country you are. So, yeah. So, it will be posted today, so don't worry. And we have Mark here. Say hi, Mark. Mark, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, yeah, we are with Mark here today because last time there was some problems. So this time we have fixed it. And he has challenged me for a random battle. So let's start.
So then why don't you guys get tired from losing?
Mark, shut up, okay. Guys, if these things are not
advantage over there.
Do I have an advantage, seriously? Okay, I do.
I have the advantage. Okay, I have both equal. Look at the score.
Yeah,
okay,
our health was so equal. It's accuracy. Yeah, you suck. Okay, guys, don't take that privately. This is just funny. This is for fun.
Sudha.
Yeah.
How many legendaries do you have?
Wait, he's waiting for a pawn, and then only I can see.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, you have Bishop.
How many legendaries do you have?
I have one.
Well, I have one.
Oh, we're unlucky. I bet he used an iron head, guys. I bet. Oh, you still put. Oh, clutch! Oh, you resisted it. Oh. Wait, you're immune? I forgot that. Yeah, I actually forgot.
Yeah, you forgot that.
I'm such an idiot. You were steel type, so I have to go for. How do I have two, what you call that, EV evolutions? Glaceon and. Oh, Toxicity is one of my favorite Pokemons. Guys, if you like Toxicity, please hit that like button. Wait, how about my.
Actually.
Did it just poison me? Well, it died. That thing just poisoned me, Mark. I know you must be thinking, why is a fire type? I know you, Mark. You must be thinking, oh shit, even I have 5. You know I am a Mimikyu, you know that. Look how
so funny, Mimikyu.
You know, I really used to like Mimikyu actually. And you're just kissing me. How dare you kiss me? I claw you.
I took so much of your damage. And you're like, how dare you kiss me?
Let's. Oh, okay, Giga Green. I know what you're trying to do.
You.
My company does nothing.
Because I'm a fairy type and you're fairy plus a ghost type, which I'm super advantage over it.
Mark, you know ghost doesn't affect anything. Okay. We have this dude. Who I'm replacing with this dude.
Oh, I get to play that means.
Yay, Balloon Storm. So now I'm going to put my head on you. I'm going to smash my head on you.
Are you going to do headbutt? Or zenbutt?
No, I'm going to smash head.
Smash.
Yeah, I smashed my head on you.
My God.
I know, right?
No switching. Let's see the true power.
Wait. I thought it was Dynamax. Okay. Oh, I have a good move. Okay. Sword dance.
Oh, I remember we can Dynamax.
I know, even I remember. I thought, oh god. Silk Punch. But I'm gonna smash you.
No.
Yes! Guys, if you think I'm going to win, please subscribe because he's going to use V Creator and just destroy me.
Where was V Creator?
Well, you definitely know it.
Okay, I definitely don't know. Oh yeah, this V Creator, I know that your move existed. Oh shit, I didn't know that.
Guys, what did I say he'll use V Creator.
Actually, I didn't use it. I used some other one. What, this Flareon? Oh, What's Flareon? Oh, yeah, it's a dark type. Okay, it's a fire type. Okay.
Mark, it's an evil evolution. You know that super OEP? Did I just see a Flareon just taking down a Rayquaza? A Charizard. I'm gonna fade you down. I still have 3 Pokemon left. Okay, maybe I don't. I have 2 Pokemon left. I have Galai support.
Which is also a bug type. I hope you know that information.
I know that, so I'm gonna obliterate you. Yes, I did Dynamax. I still won.
Easy.
Guys, you
Even
have
I
hit that
did
like
Dynamax,
button.
I
You
should
give me a
Dynamax.
Guys, thank you for hitting that like button. I won. Okay,
I
here's
don't
a
think
Jolteon.
they hate it, okay? Okay, so see, if I win this now match, everyone,
Yeah.
then Siddharth, you all have to hit the like button and you have to unsubscribe from Siddharth.
What do you want?
If I win, and if I lose, then you have to subscribe and hit the like button.
Okay,
This is a
okay.
very good deal, like superb deal.
Okay. I have to take that.
See, even Siddharth accepts it. Okay, this, then this. Oh, I got another EV evolution.
Cool.
Team EV evolution.
Oh, I just clutch played. But I'm going to lose.
I
because-
class played. I'm on 8, Siddharth.
But I took down your head. I smashed my head on you.
Still, I clutch played with me.
No,
Don't
I
clutch.
smashed my head on you.
Rock.
Because-
I don't know how much damage it'll do, but it'll do this.
It's
Good
the same
amount.
thing. It's the same thing. Yeah.
My Jolteon did good. You have to unsubscribe, Siddharth. Would make your what percentage low. I got the exact power of course for your Pokemon.
Oh yeah,
Exactly.
you do. Play.
Dragon versus Psychic. Then there's
Mark,
Rock
I
against
can
water.
only use this thing rock type moves. That's a problem. I can only use earthquake. Oh god.
You're dead. Now you have to use nothing. Now you must just enjoy because it's a grass type.
You know grass is not.
Obviously, I know that.
Okay, I thought you don't use that. I used a leaf and I bladed you up. Got it? Leaf blade.
Okay, I'm using this Pokemon.
I thought this was a water type for a minute.
You got scared, what?
Yes. It did decent damage, okay?
Yeah, decent is good enough.
Yes.
Unlike Paul.
Psychic.
So that I did decent damage, unlike Paul.
Oh yeah.
One is a joke.
I got my center scotch. Shit, but my center scotch cannot do anything right now. Wait, it played first?
I'm immune.
I thought it played first. I thought I was not, so I could not play first. Oh,
No, your Pokemon played first.
I know, but I thought I was not supposed to play first, so I played anything. Idiot.
Wow. What was that?
Okay, now I played first and just took down it.
Okay, so now I defeated 3 of your Pokemon. You
You
defeated
didn't
3 of mine.
Yes. But I've already 2 are revealed.
I don't know. Maybe
Do you
I'll
have a
show you
legendary?
Dynamax.
Do you
Not
have a
sure.
legendary? I can only use one move. That's the bad part.
What's that? The
Which is-
superpower?
Yes, but his accuracy is very low. Now this is do or die. It's
No!
Ha!
How many legendaries do you have?
I only have one. You can literally see that.
So Outlander is a legendary.
Huh? No. That's obvious.
Decidueye is a legendary.
Okay, guys, if you think this is legendary, please don't subscribe. If you guys don't think he's a legendary, please like.
Just shut up. Just shut up. Okay. What's the last Pokemon? Tell me. I'll tell you my
Kyogre.
last Pokemon.
Kyogre.
Oh, this is my legendary.
Zash. Okay, it's not Zamazenta Crown. That's actually better.
Why?
Look how much damage it did. Look how much you did.
I'm dominating you, Siddharth.
I know. If you go to
Remove Kyogre. Remove Kyogre.
if this dude eat this. Shit, my Genium. Okay. Shit, no. That he's immune. Oh god, no. Shit. Good job, Roost. Okay, I have to do this now. No!
Yes.
I'm,
Your water type psychic type does affect you, no?
no, it doesn't do that much damage.
Yes.
Shit. No, but now you're gonna Dynamax and you have good health. Shit. I took down Zamazenta. Okay.
I mean, like 3 of your Pokemon took down Zamazenta.
No, only one. What's the typing again of this? Steel. Yeah. Of course.
It's a risk. I'm just doing it.
I know.
You can Dynamax, what?
I
think you can Dynamax.
I can. No! Yes!
No! So then you will win.
Yeah,
Let me think. What's super effective against?
I'm gonna play
Steel
first.
type won't do that much.
I'll play first. No, I'm 5 HP. Wait, I lose my Dynamax. Shit.
This is the last round.
Wait. I won! Okay, guys, now you have to subscribe and like the video. Yeah! You guys have to subscribe and like in your face.
How 8 people are there?
In what?
How 8 people always watch your video? I'm shocked now. You watch the same video 8 times, what?
Is it possible? Is it? Is
Okay,
it
Siddharth.
possible to
I have
watch
only
it?
one legendary. How many you have?
Wait, let me check. I have no legendaries.
Oh, if I win now, then you have to hit the dislike button.
Shut up. Okay, he's just doing it because he doesn't like to lose. Okay, play. Oh, you
Both
are...
are different. Both are psychic type.
Wait, this was psychic? Oh.
Yeah, you didn't know.
I forgot. I thought it was a grass type. I'm an idiot. Hey, at
You're an
least...
idiot. Now you, yes, everyone, he finally accepts that he's an idiot.
Okay, that did good damage. Ah, I knew.
The first Pokemon that dominated his second Pokemon.
Okay, play. Yes.
No! Except for the part where I had Togedemaru.
I can't believe you actually had it. I thought I'll play first only. Wait, I have a smart idea. Under the Alolan Moon, liking rock. You're a rock type. Wait, this is illegal.
What's illegal?
Wait,
Togedemaru is electric plus a steel type. Why do you know Swampert? He's a water type.
well, you don't know his other typing.
It's a ground type, but how can it be illegal? This is illegal to that.
How is this illegal?
It's literally illegally.
Where is it written? I just roasted you hardly. Oh god, I just roasted you too hard. Yeah, you're toxicated.
One of the only reasons I removed this
I know,
was to
because it's-
sacrifice me.
Yes. Okay. Play. No! I misclicked. No, I misclicked.
He was the one who had the toxic spikes.
I know. You don't even know that Pokemon's name, so you have to put he was the one.
I know Tentacruel.
Oh, you just read it right now.
Liar.
Well, I just one-shotted you.
Liar. You like do 2-3 shots me.
No, I just one-shotted you.
Yes. Yes, sir, you didn't one shot me.
So you also get toxicated. Oh, is it